Good morning students, this is our GK class. In GK last day what we have done? We have done at the table, means what are the good manners, what you should do when you are sitting for eating at the table. Okay, so we have done this. Now today we are going to do this. Okay, today we are going to do page number 57, that is all about good manners over a telephone. Okay, so what it is given on the phone. We use phone every day. It is an important to follow some telephone manners. Okay, we are using telephone, each and everybody we are using telephone every day. Okay, now what are the manners that we have to follow at the time of phone? Okay, number one, it is given, when you pick up the phone, say, whenever you pick up the phone, suppose you pick up the phone, okay, then you should say, hello, may I know who is calling? You must ask the person who is on the opposite side of the phone. Okay, you should ask, may I know, and use a very polite manner in English. Hello, may I know who is calling? May I know who is calling? This is your word should be. Okay, next, number two, if the call is for someone else, then say, means it is not for you. If you have heard that it is not for you, then what to say? It is for somebody else in your family or the members. What you will say? Please hold on. First you make the person to say, sorry, you say the person, please hold on. Okay, okay, please hold on. Then, and give the phone to that person. Then you take that phone and give to that person whose phone it is. Okay, inform him and give it. So it is the manner. These are the manners. Okay, now number three, when you make a call, say, whenever you are calling to somebody, you are dialing number and you are calling to somebody, what you have? Hello, may I speak to? You have to say the person name whom you want to speak. Hello, may I speak to Ram, Lakshman? Okay, may I speak to anybody else? Okay, so like this you have to say. Okay, may I speak to Mr. Sham? May I speak to Mr. Sundarlal? Okay, whatever it is, may I speak to? Then, if you make a wrong call, then say, if you by mistake make a wrong call, then what you have to say? If you make a wrong call, then what you have to say? You will say, sorry, before you put down the phone. Before you put down the phone, you have to say what? Sorry. Okay, before you cut the phone, you say the person, sorry, by mistake I have called you. You have to say a sorry because you have disturbed somebody. Okay. Now next, what you should not do. Don't eat while speaking on phone. When you are speaking, you are eating like this. Maybe at the time of talking it will stuck. Okay, then it will create a problem. Okay, it will stuck in your neck and it will create a problem. So never do like this. Understand? Then number 6, don't talk to someone else when you are talking on the phone. When you are talking on the phone, then please don't talk to otherwise you could not concentrate what the other person is saying. Both you are listening to that phone also and you are listening to the other person whom you will listen. You can concentrate in one place only. So never talk to the other person at your home. You talk just on the phone when you are receiving a phone. Okay, next one, don't disturb someone when they are talking on phone. When anybody is talking on the phone, by disturbing, by calling, by pinching, by beating, whatever it is, don't do like that. Okay, don't do like that. We should never disturb them. We should never disturb them. Understand? Now come to one more. Here written, yes, it is true. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. Understand? Who has invented telephone? I have already make you write in our second term extra questions that telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Understand? This page you have understand related to our phone. Okay? Related to our phone. Okay, now come to questions. What I have make you, who invented the telephone? Just now I have said the telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. You will learn the spelling. Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander. This is Alexander. Okay? Alexander Graham Bell. Graham, Graham. Sorry, Bell. Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. He is the man who has invented the telephone. Okay? Write any 3 telephone manners which we should not do while speaking on phone. When you are speaking on phone, what you should not do? Just now I have teach the 3 telephone manner which we should not do while speaking on phone are: we should not eat while speaking on the phone. We should not eat while speaking on the phone. Then we should not talk to someone else when we are talking on phone. When we are talking on phone, I have already told we should not talk to other. Okay. Then we should not disturb someone when they are talking on the phone. We should not disturb someone, okay? When they are talking, we should not call them. We should not do any kind of mischief when they are talking on the phone. These are the 3 manners what we should not do while talking on the phone. Okay, now I have given choose the correct answer. When we pick up the phone, say, what we will say? Hello, may I know who is calling? Or sorry, I don't know. Which one will be? Okay, when we pick up the phone, first what you will say? Hello, may I know who is calling? Or you will say, sorry, I don't know. So you will say the number 1. Hello, may I know who is calling? Okay, next. If the call is for someone else, then say, what you have to say? Hello, may I help you? Or you will say, please hold on. It is for someone else. What you will say? Please hold on. Yes, na? Please hold on. You want to give that person the phone. That is why you will say, please hold on. Next, number 2 option it will be. Now come to number 3. When we make a call, say, when we are making a call, then what we will say? Hello, may I speak to? Or we will say, please hold on. We will say, hello, may I speak to? This what we will say. So this will be the correct answer. 1. Then if we make a wrong call, then what you have to say? Hello, how are you? Or you will say, sorry. Or what you will say? You will say, sorry. Okay? Understand? You will say what? Sorry. So this is the chapter related to what? About telephone. So what you have learned? 2 things you have learned. First, good table manners and good manners at the time of phone. Okay? These 2 manners you have learned. These 2 manners you have done with me. Okay? Go through it and revise it. Okay? Go through it and revise it. Whatever I have given in the copy, please go through it and revise it. An extra question also you see I have given. So go through it. One thing I want to say, class, how many meals are there in a day? Please make it how many main meals. Okay? What you will write? How many main meals are there in a day? You will write there are 3 main meals. Okay? What you will write? 3 main meals are breakfast, lunch and dinner. Understand? And here from this part, what you will learn today? You will learn 3 things what we should not do at the time of phone when we call somebody. We should not eat. Okay, we should not eat while speaking on the phone. We should not talk to someone else when we are talking on phone. And last, we should not disturb someone when they are talking on phone. Then given you choose the correct answer, that you will do by yourself. Okay. Next we are going to read being respectful. What it is? Being respectful. Okay, what are the good manners you have to do in your classroom, in your playground, or at home and in public? Next day we will do this. Okay, so today's class over, students. Go through my teaching and learn them, and do the work in the copy and learn them. Okay, thank you, students.